Hey, y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith. And today's show is called Why Design Build Firms Outperform General Contractors. If you've ever wandered into the labyrinth of home renovation, juggling schedules, contracts, and that mile long list of wants, you've probably thought to yourself, there's got to be a better way. Well, guess what? There is. And it's called the design build approach. It's like the Swiss Army knife of the remodeling world, only way more effective and without the risk of a thumb injury. So, what makes design build firms the rock stars of renovations? Let's dive in, folks. For starters, you get what I like to call the one team dream. With design build, your designer and builder are cut from the same cloth. They work together under the same roof, sharing the same vision, and communicating like they've been cast in a buddy cop movie. As a result, you get fewer dropped balls and less miscommunication. It's smoother than freshly laid tile, my friends. Plus, talk about efficiency. The design build method turns your renovation process into a well oiled machine. You're looking at tighter timelines because everyone's on board from the get go. You spend less time in that fun house of mirrors known as project delays, and more time enjoying a space that's a literal extension of you. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. And let's talk cost savings, shall we? When your budget and design are in sync from day one, you dodge unexpected costs faster than a cat on a hot tin roof. With design build, you're looking at one unified budget with transparent costs laid out like grandma's biscuits on a Sunday morning. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Choosing to go with a design build firm means embracing a process that prioritizes collaboration and innovation. This setup encourages problem solving and creativity that translates into fewer headaches and more high fives. Oh, and I gotta mention the creativity. Having designers and builders under the same umbrella turns your renovation ideas into reality at the speed of thought. You get more cohesive designs and a final product that reflects your vision and lifestyle seamlessly. So, when planning your next home adventure, remember, design build isn't just an approach, it's the evolution of remodeling. Choose it, and your home will be thanking you with smiles, and perhaps a little less duct tape for years to come. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.